Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and today I'm doing a review for matzahs. What I like about this, I would say maybe this particular brand, that if we look at the ingredients, it's basically just a wheat flour and water only. And also guys, here it's no cholesterol, no sodium, no sugars, no fat, and high in protein and very low in calories as well. And also guys, here it's a good product for vegetarian people. And also guys, I bought this bread in Costco, and I really like it, and it goes in packages like this. It's really nice, and two of those packages, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 in each package. And yeah guys, so that was my review about this bread, and I really like it. And also guys, this bread has no yeast, because again, when you look at the calories, when you look at the ingredients, it actually shows that bread has no yeast, which is very good guys. So if you want to stay healthy, and if you want to have a good health and good lifestyle, buy this bread, because it's all natural, no sodium, and fat free. Okay guys, enjoy and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.